All right, a shameless plug for my homie, Mr. Evan, up there in Wisconsin, freezing as you know what off. We're down here in Arizona. It's kind of, I don't know, kind of cold. We're gonna do a step and a color, just a two-step process, real quick. Take a couple minutes. This is in good shape, so we don't have to sand it or do none of that stuff. When I get down here to the middle of the panel back here, I open up the door. I know you guys don't want to see my ugly face, so that's clearly the problem. Always make sure you use a nasty buff on these steps too, because they'll tear it up in a second. I got a bunch of old ones, so no big deal. And when you get old like me, you don't have a mask, you get that, what's that, coloring for men or something? Get a little brown compound on that gray beard. Works pretty good. And that's the cut. Like I said, these steps are in really good condition, so you don't really have to worry about them. I'm using a variable too, just because the bad boy, the 6,000, that thing, it's like riding a bull. These things are nice. These variables, 3,500, I believe they go up to. They, yeah, to make life easier on your shoulders. If you got like a, I don't know, a trailer rail or something like that, make sure you rake these things out before you put compound on there. Make it look like crap. A little green compound. Tilt it towards the end so don't get caught and kick back in your face. Or, actually what I normally do on this, I use a yellow buff, the green compound, because it tears these up, but this is an old one, so no big deal. Shameless plug, if you need any of this stuff, go shineon.com. There we have it. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching.